We specialize in building stuff that nobody else will even quote on. PartMaker changed our business. When I started here, there were, I think it was a 3-4 employee company is all. We've grown to about 60 employees now over a 26-year period. We deal mostly small surgical equipment, anything 1.25 inch in diameter and smaller. PartMaker's changed the way we do surgical equipment, that's for sure. The engineers on the other side, they challenge us every day with more and more complex parts that seem to be impossible to build.
Before, we probably would have just said, that's too much for us, to handle that complexity of that part. With PartMaker, it simplified the whole process, made it so we ultimately eliminated crashes, being able to see everything that's done before it goes to the machine.
We only need one programmer now for 6 machines. Our turnarounds are very fast. We can take in a job and have a program and have it out by the end of the day, no problem. Where maybe in the past it would have taken 2 people a couple of days to have done the same output. Where it's difficult to make these parts is there's a lot of surfacing requirements, very small components. We pretty much demand that kind of part in this industry. PartMaker has enabled us to take those parts right from a solid and turn those into a program in a very short period of time.
This is a jack body, which is used in back surgery. This is one component of probably 3 or 4 that put this whole thing together to make it work. Okay, I take this solid model and I'm able to extract any turn geometry or physically use the solid. This is a basic simulation I use a lot of. However, if you do want to see better, you can do a full machine simulation. With this though, it allows you to see every little mistake you have. Like this tool did not clear good enough, so I'll go back and I'll change that so that it doesn't run into the part. So it's very cool for that. You can see exactly what's going on, fix it, put it out on the machine, you don't have that problem.
PartMaker is a very easy program to learn. We have only one full-time programmer that we use on PartMaker now. In a shop of this size, that seems pretty incredible, but it didn't take very long at all for him to come up to speed. PartMaker's been awesome with the support. We send support an email with our problem, detailed information, and their response is immediate. But like I said, we don't have very many. It's pretty rare that we even have to contact PartMaker anymore. I don't know of any other competitor out there that could possibly compete with what PartMaker's done for us today.